Get ready to meet the future of adventure travel, the 2026 Kia 6x6 luxury camper van. This extraordinary machine blends power, design, and comfort like never before. With 6 driven wheels, state-of-the-art technology, and a fully equipped living space, it's more than just a vehicle, it's your home on wheels, ready to take you to places you never thought possible. Exterior and design. At first glance, the Kia 6x6 camper makes a bold statement. Its elevated stance, reinforced bodywork, and futuristic lighting design give it a dominating presence. Built to handle deserts, mountains, and city streets with equal ease, it features heavy-duty bumpers, integrated gear racks, and a roofline that extends into a pop-up module. The design is rugged yet elegant, crafted for explorers who demand both durability and style. Performance and powertrain. Underneath its powerful frame lies cutting-edge engineering. The dual-motor electric powertrain delivers explosive acceleration and unmatched torque. With more than 650 horsepower, this van is capable of conquering rough terrains, steep inclines, and long highway stretches. A large-capacity battery pack ensures up to 700 kilometers of driving range, while ultra-fast charging keeps downtime to a minimum. Whether you're tackling sand dunes or gliding down the freeway, performance is never compromised. Interior features. Step inside, and you'll discover a world of comfort. The cabin is designed like a luxury apartment on wheels. There's a foldable bed for restful nights, a fully functional kitchenette for hot meals, and a compact yet stylish bathroom. The pop-up roof expands the space dramatically, creating a cozy yet spacious living environment. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the high-quality seating, has been built for relaxation after a long day of adventure. Technology and connectivity. This camper isn't just about toughness, it's also about smart living. A large touchscreen control panel integrates navigation, entertainment, and camper systems in one place. Wireless internet keeps you connected no matter where you travel. With advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and 360-degree cameras, driving this giant becomes effortless. It's a perfect mix of modern technology and timeless utility. Sustainability and off-grid capabilities. Imagine being able to live off the grid for weeks. The Kia 6x6 makes it possible. Solar panels on the roof charge the onboard batteries, while efficient climate control systems reduce energy consumption. Freshwater storage, off-road recovery gear, and smart power management mean you can venture deep into nature without worrying about resources. It's an eco-conscious luxury camper built for the new age of travel. Pricing and availability. Starting at $124,000, the Kia 6x6 camper delivers luxury and adventure in a single package. With regional pricing variations, it will be available across select markets worldwide. Buyers can choose from several customization options, from interior layouts to exterior finishes, making each camper uniquely tailored to its owner's lifestyle. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kia 6x6 luxury camper van is not just another vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's built for those who crave freedom, adventure, and comfort on the move. Whether you're a family looking to explore together or a solo traveler chasing the horizon, this camper is designed to carry you beyond limits. This is the future of travel, bold, luxurious, and unstoppable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest automotive innovations. Drop your thoughts about the Kia 6x6 camper van in the comments below. Would you take this beast on your next adventure? Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.